So what I thought was that the crank, it rotates from this point and it's fixed on this point. So if it rotates over here, it takes the whole thing with it. And while that gives it some movement, doesn't really do the whole thing, because then you end up with something that just keeps going and stops. But what it really is right here, it rotates on this point and is fixed right here. So what it really is doing is it's taking this and it's launching it around, and I can't really do it because the toothpick's sticking into the thing. You want to help with that? So
Wait, I gotta zoom out.
all right. Make sure these are in order. So what it really is you want to try to crank it, because I can't really from here.
What do I have to do?
So you have to, this point does not move.
Okay.
Then you take this toothpick and revolve it around that thing. So you try that. You have to kind of let it move here. Well, no, this does not move. The toothpick is the one moving. Yeah, there we go. It's kind of tricky without the, this is the cardboard plus hand version.
Yeah, it's hard.
We can kind of swap.
Once it goes in here, I can't.
Here, do you want to try to switch?
Turn it.
So, yeah, we can probably do it better on the floor or something, so it's not sticking into the ottoman. Want to move it over there?
Whoops.
Wait.
That looks pretty sturdy. So does that. So, I think if I might just be able to I might just be able to do it with no one doing anything. We'll make sure these toothpicks are all like centered.
touching the ground and in the middle.
Touching the ground, and so that one you need to lift up. And put
You mean the cardboard has to be in the middle?
cardboard has to be in the middle? Yeah. That one's kind of slipping, so I might change the order of that real quick. Yes. There's all three.
Okay.
All right. So if I do that, I think they had the crank on the bottom though. So let's. Thread. Now, that's the normal shape, and then this is kind of tough with the.
Try it this way.
Try that one. Oh yes, probably. Stick that in there. I did it with like a pen at first.
It's not working.